Don't be too quick to blame age for restless nights. Many older adults quietly accept waking up several times a night as normal, but frequent trips to the bathroom or waking with burning discomfort in the chest are more than small annoyances. They interrupt deep sleep, leave the mind tired in the morning, and can even increase the risk of falls in the dark. What many people don't realize is that some nighttime habits that feel comforting may actually make things worse. Drinking warm milk too late, having tea or coffee after dinner, or drinking a large glass of water right before bed can keep the bladder and digestive system working when the brain needs rest. These routines seem harmless, yet they often contribute to disrupted sleep. As we grow older, sleep becomes lighter and more fragile. Two common problems often appear together: nighttime acid reflux and an oversensitive bladder. When the valve at the base of the esophagus weakens, stomach acid can rise when lying down, creating heartburn that forces people to sit up or sip water for relief. At the same time, the bladder may signal urgency sooner than it used to, even when it is not full, leading to repeated bathroom trips. Both issues quietly steal the deep rest the body needs. Baking soda mixed with water is sometimes used as a simple home remedy because it is alkaline and can temporarily neutralize excess acid. For some people, this may reduce nighttime heartburn and ease digestive discomfort. In certain cases, lowering acidity may also calm bladder irritation that triggers false urgency at night. When reflux settles and the bladder is quieter, staying asleep becomes easier. Late, heavy dinners and late evening tea or coffee can worsen these problems. Rich foods, spicy meals, desserts, and caffeine close to bedtime make digestion work harder at the very time the body should be winding down. Eating lighter meals, finishing dinner earlier, and moving tea or coffee to earlier in the day often make a noticeable difference on their own. Some people also believe baking soda water helps ease muscle and joint soreness because of its alkaline nature. While research has explored bicarbonate in athletic recovery, everyday comfort for older adults is better supported by gentle movement, stretching, proper hydration during the day, and appropriate medical care for arthritis or chronic pain. Baking soda water should never replace proper treatment. There is also medical use of sodium bicarbonate in certain kidney conditions under doctor supervision, particularly in cases of metabolic acidosis. However, this is exactly why anyone with kidney disease should never self-treat. Baking soda contains sodium, and too much can strain the heart and kidneys. What is helpful in controlled medical settings can be harmful when used incorrectly at home. You may also hear claims about baking soda affecting inflammation or even cancer environments in laboratory research. These studies explore how acidity influences cells, but baking soda is not a cure for arthritis, cancer, or any serious disease. At best, it may serve as a small supportive habit for some individuals when used responsibly. For those whose doctors say it is safe to try, the typical approach is a very small amount, about half a teaspoon dissolved in a glass of water, taken 1 to 2 hours after dinner and sipped slowly. It is generally not meant for daily, long-term use without medical guidance, because excess sodium can raise blood pressure and affect heart and kidney health. Baking soda water is not suitable for everyone. People with high blood pressure, heart disease, kidney disease, fluid retention problems, or those on low-sodium diets should avoid it unless specifically approved by a doctor. Pregnant women and people taking medications that affect fluid or electrolyte balance should also be cautious. For some, it can cause bloating or worsen reflux instead of helping. In the end, this is not about miracle cures. Better sleep and comfort often come from small, thoughtful changes. Lighter and earlier meals, fewer late drinks, less caffeine at night, and habits that respect the body's limits. Baking soda water may help a few people when used carefully and with medical approval, but it is only one small tool among many. Real progress comes from listening to your body, making gentle adjustments, and working with healthcare guidance to protect your health and rest.